just crossed over the English border. Or the Scottish border, whichever way you care to look at it. And I'm not even kidding, it's got greyer. I'm not just saying that. It was blue skies before. Oh well, que sera, sera. So, next stop, Berwick upon Tweed. So we've come into the historic walled town of Berwick. It's quite busy for is it a weekday, love? I've lost track.
It's Monday.
It's Monday. See, we don't even know what day of the week it is. Well, I don't. And in Berwick upon Tweed, there's town walls, there's a Holy Trinity church, there's barracks. Seems to be a lot of interesting things that you can walk around and see. We'll report back on that later. It has got a bit sunnier. 169.9. That was the diesel cost check-in. Oh, interesting houses. It's quite interesting to see all the different types of styles of house building from town to town. Oh, St George's flag. They'll be looking forward to the game, no doubt. Train station over to the right. And this is Berwick. It's rather lovely.
Berwick upon Tweed.
Is it? It just said Berwick at the start.
All right.
It's a traditional English pub if ever there was one. Oh me, I hate these wee narrow bridges. It's a bit busier now. They've got all their bunting up, maybe had a gala day. Yeah, this looks like a good place to explore. Lots of wee shops. Coffee shops as well. Or cafes, as one would say.
Cafe.
Oh, look at that lovely bridge over there. Oh, and there's one here. Obviously a school trip or something down there. And there's a railway bridge up there. Oh, it's the same one as round there. They've just joined up behind the trees. Oh, a nice little town, this one. Good to see them getting their flags out. This is us approaching the Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Berwick Sea View. Arrivals from 1 PM onwards. Ooh, here we go. And we are being told to go in on the right, are we? No. Paul's doing his own thing. Here we go. Okay. Look, what a view! Oh, and even a wee lighthouse and everything. Oh, it's so pretty. It's the 14th of July, Bastille Day, and whilst the French are celebrating and having fun, Paul and I are having another drama. So, for the past 2 or 3 days, Paul has been feeling feverish, clammy, fatigued, run down off his food, issues with peeing. So I'd said many a time, I think you've got a UTI. Oh well, I'll just flush it out. Give me some cranberry juice, I'll drink more water. So we had that rigmarole for a couple of days, and finally this morning he got up and phoned 111 because he really wasn't feeling well. He phoned 111 at, was it about 11:40?
10:40.
10:40. It is now 12:30, And in that time, we have packed up the van. We've spoken to somebody on the phone, obviously, and received guidance. The paramedic then phoned us back, gave Paul further guidance. We packed up the van, we left the campsite, we drove to an emergency treatment unit. We were literally in the waiting room for 10 minutes, seen by a senior nurse practitioner, and we're now back in the van. Paul has got a UTI. It's bladder and kidneys. So he is on antibiotics twice daily for the next 7 days. But we cannot fault the treatment and the service that we've received today. We're actually blown away by it. Streamlined. You know, we got the guidance, we were put in the right place, we were seen within 10 minutes. They took a urine sample, went through all his obs. Everything was normal, thank God, except for the urine sample showing up protein and blood. Given a box of antibiotics, told that they will send it off for testing, and if it grows anything different to what these antibiotics can treat, they will phone us and advise us the next steps, which should obviously be different antibiotics. And honestly, we just can't believe it. The NHS in England is so much better from our experience than the NHS in Scotland. Anyway, I'm away to look after my man. Oh, another day, another drama. Okay, BRB.